Now, please welcome Vice President, Offering Management, Watson Commerce and Watson Marketing, Mark Simpson.
I've been thinking a lot about our industry lately, and as I look around, I see much of the same thing. Stop me if you've heard any of this before. The world is changing. Data is revolutionizing how we work. Data is telling us different stories. We need to find the relevant data. Data will make our lives better. Data will make our lives worse. Data, data, data. Over the last few years, countless people have stood on big stages in front of a room full of people talking about a data revolution taking place. They say it will change your business, even your lives. But as it turns out, we've been wrong about this for years. And here's why. Most of us don't stop to ask, what do we really mean by data? I mean, seriously, can you define a data? Because it doesn't buy your products. You don't have a relationship with it. Data isn't loyal to you. So why do you care? Well, it's because data isn't data. It's people. What do I mean by that? Well, every field in your database, every click on your website, every email opened, there's a person on the other side of that, each with their own lives and their own distractions. A person with their good days and their bad. So, a click on your purchase button was not just a click. It's a first-time father buying a crib. That email that was just opened, well, that's a student receiving a full scholarship, changing the course of her life forever. Now, we only play a small part in people's lives, sometimes only for seconds at a time. And so we owe it to every person to make that experience meaningful, to have a positive impact on their lives. And this is why we believe so strongly, so passionately in artificial intelligence. Because when we put AI into your workflow, we can stop seeing all of this information as data and start seeing it as people. And in turn, we can provide experiences that improve the lives of others. This week, we're here to solve the problem of translating data into people, transforming a row of your CRM into Jack or Jacqueline. This is what makes your work important. It's how you differentiate. It's how you win. With that, welcome to Think 2019. We're so excited to have all of you here with us. And I'm particularly excited to have you here at Think Exchange for Marketing and Commerce, an exclusive event designed just for our customers. Last year, you told us you didn't get enough out of Think. You wanted to go back to the Amplify events that we used to run. So we've done that. We've tripled the number of sessions for Watson Marketing and Watson Commerce. And throughout the week, we hope you'll connect with peers, try out new capabilities, and learn how to get the most out of the tools you use today. Now, we have a ton of exciting announcements this year. But first, let's review what happened in 2018, because last year we achieved a lot. We launched anomaly detection in customer experience analytics to give you alerts to changes in customer behavior as it happens. We launched our AI-powered assistant for marketers, reimagining the user interface to help make your job easier. We added data centers to big growth markets like India. We launched new versions of our popular on-premise products like commerce and marketing software. And as of today, UBX is now processing over 10 billion events every week, helping customers connect their marketing ecosystems at scale. Now, let's keep things moving with marketing. And I said earlier that we're here this week to translate a row of data into Jack and Jacqueline. And your ability to do this is how you differentiate and win. Nowhere is this more important than marketing, because as marketers, we sometimes know very little about our audience, and yet we still need to grab people's attention. This is where artificial intelligence comes into its own, translating lots of disparate data into people. And AI has been a huge focus for us in our marketing portfolio. So to show you what's coming up, I'd like to invite to the stage our Director of Offering Management for Watson Marketing, Jay Henderson.
Hi, everyone. We've got some amazing detailed sessions here at the show, but you're not going to have time to go to all of those sessions. So what I wanted to do was highlight 6 key areas of innovation within our marketing portfolio. I'm going to start with marketing software. This is our heritage Unica portfolio. Much like commerce over the last year, we've been investing here. I'm proud to announce that in March, we'll be releasing version 11.1. This is going to have full updates across the portfolio: campaign, interact, marketing ops, all of the modules. We're also building AI into more areas of marketing software. We've enhanced the learning engine in Interact for the age of AI. You can now learn against real-time session attributes and event patterns. We've made improvements across Interact, updates to the sampling algorithm, changed how recency weighting is calculated for new offers, and added the ability to override offer suppression. All of this means your real-time marketing just got a lot smarter. Lastly, we've included a lot of customer enhancements in this release. We added a view to see the history of edits to a flowchart. We've improved flowchart execution time by 20%. And we added deeper integration between campaign and marketing operations, allowing you to trigger flowcharts to only run after they've been approved. Let's talk a little bit about analytics. Now, Mark said that we need to do a better job understanding our customers. And there's no better tool for understanding your customers than Customer Experience Analytics, CXA. CXA includes our heritage Core Metrics Digital Analytics, T-Leaf, and our new Journey Analytics. Over the last year, we've doubled down on our investment in CXA and in T-Leaf in particular. That's only accelerating in 2019. Setting up events in T-Leaf is now more simple. We're putting that power in the hands of your business users. Session replays are also easier to find, making it faster to identify struggles in the user experience. And while T-Leaf is so much more than session replay, we understand how important that replay experience is. We've made replays smoother, and we've scaled them to include more devices and more platforms. This new replay experience gives you better insight on both web and mobile devices, allowing you to better understand your customers. And what I like to think of is like now using our software to find hidden opportunities, it feels a lot more like watching a YouTube video than it does using enterprise software. We've just rolled out AI-powered anomaly detection in T-Leaf. This helps marketers quickly focus what's most important in their customer experience. For example, what if you had a global spike in traffic to one of your campaign landing pages coming out of nowhere? Sounds like something you want to know about, right? Or what if after a site update, you stop seeing any purchases from users on Android devices? T-Leaf's embedded AI detects these anomalies in the experience automatically while they're happening, and it proactively alerts you in real time. This way, you don't have to wait for your revenue to decline in order to realize that something's wrong. Okay, altogether, I think the barrier of entry for Tea Leaf is lower than ever. We're shortening the learning curve and getting more people on your teams using it. We're also deepening our commitment to journey analytics. We're injecting machine learning into the mounds of customer data coming in to CXA to automatically show you the most common patterns of customer journeys. This lets you easily see where you need to pay attention to and understand which touch points you need to act on. The way you interact with your analytics is changing as well. We're rolling out our AI-powered Watson Assistant across CXA. The assistant provides insights on your customer experience for you. You get to use natural language, and all you need to do is ask. We continue to connect more and more of your marketing applications together through our Universal Behavior Exchange, UBX. A new enhancement to UBX we call Capture unifies your website tags. Capture enables you to share user IDs and common session IDs across your analytics tools, making it even easier to connect your existing analytics stack to the rest of your marketing portfolio. We've also added 40 new UBX partners this year, including new endpoints for Salesforce Exact Target, Oracle Responses, and Urban Airship. This is in addition to our two most popular UBX endpoints, Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics. We added endpoints for cloud databases like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and IBM Cloud Object Store. We added a new endpoint for FTP. Our commitment to having an open ecosystem is clear, integrating with whatever platforms you have in your marketing ecosystem. Now we've talked a little bit about how we can better understand our customers. Let's talk some about how we make sure we have the right content to engage them. Great creative is often at the center of our marketing campaigns. Sure, we can engage customers, we can run campaigns, but without the right content, what's the point? We wanted to put content at the center of your workflow. With Content Hub, we're making it easy to manage and deliver content through any marketing channel. Built from the ground up as a modern and intuitive experience, designed to work across your entire marketing suite. Content Hub started out as a headless content engine and a set of microservices providing content as a service. But last year, we added business user tooling to help manage multiple websites, and we introduced AI tagging for our asset management. AI-based tagging uses machine learning to recognize the images and automatically suggest metadata and tags as the images are uploaded. This saves marketers from hours of rote and error-prone work to add this context. Watson Campaign Automation. Campaign automation has gone through a massive transformation. We just launched our new navigation experience. Now, customers have one login, one URL, and one IBM ID that can be used across the product and shared across other IBM solutions. It's a modern design with an emphasis not only on ease of use, but also customization. The new sidebar allows users to pin their favorite and most used pages so they can get around faster with fewer clicks. And of course, it provides access to our AI-powered Watson Assistant, which can help make some of the most repetitive tasks easier. The assistant can pull reports, compare campaigns, and do real-time analysis on marketing performance. All of these multi-step tasks are accessible through natural language. All you need to do is ask. But one of our biggest requests from you has been to improve the message design experience. Well, today I'm excited to share that we're previewing our new campaign design experience, rewritten from the ground up, powered by the same technology used in our Content Hub. The experience makes designing the content of your messages more reliable, modern, and integrated across the rest of your marketing tools. Another powerful feature of campaign automation is the Programs interface for orchestrating multi-wave, multi-channel campaigns. With Programs, customers already create powerful multi-path campaigns. But this year, we're going to be enhancing Programs even more with advanced routing capabilities, new action steps, and reduced wait intervals between touchpoints, allowing you to build more sophisticated marketing campaigns that deliver engaging experiences for your customers. We're also infusing AI directly into the Programs interface. Most AI is passive. It's like waiting for you to invoke it to perform its tasks. But what if the AI could invoke you when something needs your attention? We're doing just that, beginning in Programs and expanding throughout the year to the other parts of the platform. Let's talk a little bit about maybe what this really means. So, you all have goals for your campaigns, right? Maybe some of you set them by open rate, other people by click-through rate, or maybe you're just trying to monitor the size of the audience in the campaign. Today, you can't really tell how you're doing against that goal unless you never leave your desk. Sitting in front of your web browser, constantly hitting refresh, watching the results trickle in, or maybe you ask the Watson assistant every few minutes. Here at the show, we're announcing AI-powered anomaly detection in Programs. The AI moves from passively responding to your requests to proactive states, continuously monitoring performance of the campaigns as they're in flight. This way, if something seems out of the ordinary, such as a dramatic drop or a significant spike, you get alerted. So now, you're no longer chained to your desk. So I like to call this feature the ability to go to lunch. In campaign automation, we continue to add support for new channels and enhance some of the ones that we've had support for a while. So in social advertising, we recently added support for a new channel, LinkedIn Ads. This complements our existing support for Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And in Facebook, we're supporting new ad types like slideshow and carousel. In mobile, the analysts already rank us as the only marketing cloud in the leader category. But we're not resting on our laurels. We're expanding our SMS capabilities to natively support SMPP, adding more local SMS providers who can provide us better pricing and better local support. We're also building more advanced location capabilities for mobile app push. Altogether, campaign automation is becoming easier to use, enhanced by advanced AI capabilities, and expanding its reach to meet your customers wherever they are.